Twin Tigers train in Mountain Home. The 391st Fighter Squadron Bull Tigers and Marine Attack Squadron, or VMA 542, from Marine Corps Air Station Cherry Point met for some cold weather training.
So the mission here is for us to do cold weather training, get used to seeing how the aircraft react in cold weather. In Cherry Point, North Carolina, where we're from, typically we don't see as cold as weather. That gives us a lot different complications with the aircraft that we'd never see and helps us get ready for training in all different types of environments.
Corporal Tyler Fry and Corporal Cameron Vogrunovich are both Powerline plane captains from VMA 542. In addition to the cold weather environment, they are learning from another environment.
Having the Air Force and seeing what they do and how they work on jets compared to us, it definitely opens your eyes to something else, that some other ideas that you can do on our jets too, and how we can perform our maintenance, get things done.
Whether conducting maintenance on the AV-8B Harriers or flying side by side with F-15E Strike Eagles, this training promotes teamwork and leads to an overall stronger fighting force. A1C Trevor Gordonier, Mountain Home Air Force Base, Idaho.